Virtual reality, VR, has revolutionized the way we interact with the world around us, and the beauty and cosmetics industry is no exception. The potential of VR in the beauty and cosmetics industry is limitless. Imagine being able to try on makeup and beauty products in the comfort of your own home, without ever having to leave the house. VR has the potential to transform the way we shop for beauty products and make it easier for consumers to make informed purchasing decisions. One of the main advantages of VR in the beauty and cosmetics industry is the ability to try on makeup virtually. This technology allows consumers to experiment with different products and colors before making a purchase, which can be particularly helpful for those who live in remote areas or have limited access to stores. Additionally, VR can provide personalized recommendations based on skin type, complexion, and other individual factors, ensuring that consumers make the right choices for their needs. Moreover, VR can be used to enhance the shopping experience by creating immersive, interactive experiences that make customers feel like they are in a virtual store. This technology can provide a more engaging and informative experience for consumers, helping them to learn more about the products and the brand. Brands can use VR to showcase their products in new and innovative ways, such as creating virtual fashion shows or makeup tutorials, which can be a great way to engage with customers. Another potential use of VR in the beauty and cosmetics industry is in the field of product development. Brands can use VR to test new products and formulations, allowing them to make informed decisions about which products to bring to market. This technology can also be used to gather feedback from customers, which can be invaluable in refining products and improving the overall customer experience. In addition, VR can help to reduce waste in the beauty and cosmetics industry. By allowing customers to try on products virtually, they can make more informed decisions about which products to purchase, which can reduce the amount of waste generated from unused or unwanted products. This can be particularly important for brands that are committed to sustainability and reducing their environmental impact. Overall, the potential of VR in the beauty and cosmetics industry is immense. From virtual try-on experiences to product development and sustainability efforts, VR has the potential to transform the way we shop for beauty products. As technology continues to advance and become more accessible, we can expect to see more and more brands incorporating VR into their marketing and product development strategies. By leveraging the power of VR, the beauty and cosmetics industry can create more engaging, informative, and sustainable experiences for customers.